Are you trying to allow an app through the firewall on your Windows 11, but the option is grayed out and you cannot click on the option? In this video, you will know how to allow an app through Firewall even if the option is grayed out. Normally, to allow an app in the Windows Firewall, you open the Windows Security. Then, go to the Firewall and Network Protection. Now, you click on the Allow an App through Firewall, it displays a control panel console, where you can click on the Change Settings to allow or block an app through the firewall. However, due to some conflict, all these options get grayed out and become unclickable, including the option of Allow an App in the Windows Firewall. Some users might not even see the Firewall and Network Protection tab in Windows Security. If you are also facing this issue, let's try to fix that. This issue usually appears when you use third-party antivirus software. When you install a third-party antivirus, Windows Security, including the firewall, gets disabled, and it gives control to your new third-party antivirus. That's why you find these options disabled. So, you should check if your PC has third-party antivirus software. You can check in the hidden icons in your taskbar for any antivirus running, or in the installed apps section in your settings. If you don't find any third-party antivirus running, the issue could be due to the leftover files and settings of an antivirus you have uninstalled. We will also try to fix that. But first, let's see how you will allow an app through the firewall when there is a third-party antivirus software running. Here I have installed AVG antivirus on my system, and as you can see, the firewall options are grayed out due to this. Let's disable the firewall from the AVG antivirus. Launch the AVG antivirus, then go to the web and email. Here you will find an enhanced firewall option. Open it, then disable the firewall. It will ask you for how long you want to disable, so here click on the More options and select until I turn it on again. Then, here confirm your action by clicking on OK Stop. Now that the AVG firewall is stopped, let's open Windows Security. Go to the Firewall and Network Protection tab, and here you can see that the option to allow an app through the firewall is enabled. Now, you can use the option. Basically, I have shown you an example of how you will turn off the third-party antivirus firewall. Your antivirus could be different. You just have to locate the firewall option and then disable it. You also have an option to uninstall the antivirus entirely from the Installed Apps section in your settings. If you don't need the antivirus completely, you can simply uninstall it. Now, what about you don't have any third-party antivirus running? You had installed an antivirus in the past, but you have uninstalled it, and now you cannot change the firewall settings. This issue could be due to leftover files and settings. To fix that, you need the help of Revo Uninstaller. Download it from the internet, run it, and then completely uninstall the antivirus and clean its leftover files. After cleaning everything, restart your PC, as some files will be deleted when your PC restarts. After the restart, you will be able to allow an app through the firewall from Windows Security. That's it for this video. If it has helped you in any way, like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in next.